Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 011, Arithmetic, Section 2.2, Problem 30. This is Section 2.2, Problem 30. It says find the prime factorization of the number, write repeated factors using exponents. And the number we have to find the prime factorization of is 15,000. It's a very big number, but it'll split down quicker than it might seem. So first, find any two numbers that multiply to make 15,000. And we have a lot of options, but the first thing that I think of is 15 times 1,000. Those two numbers will multiply to make 15,000. And now neither one is prime, so you can split each one some more. So the 15 can be split into 3 times 5. The 1,000 can be split many ways, but I think of 100 times 10. 100 times 10 makes a 1,000. That's a nice simple way to split it. And again, there are others. In the end, you'd have the same prime factorization. This is what I think of first, so this is what I use. Now, the 100 and the 10 are not prime, so I have to go down another row. The 3 that I sat with on the far left, that's prime, so that'll come straight down without splitting. The 5 next to it, also prime. That'll come straight down without splitting. The 100 that's next, that's not prime. There are many ways you can split up a 100. I think of 10 times 10. That's a 100. And the 10 on the end, on the far right, can be split into 2 times 5. So now, most of it's prime. The 10s I have in the row that I'm on now are not prime. So most of the numbers will come straight down with no splitting, but I'll split up the 10. So first I start with a 3, that's prime. That'll come straight down without splitting. Next is a 5, also prime. That'll come straight down. That won't split. Now I have a 10. The 10 can split into 2 times 5. And next to that is another 10 that can split into 2 times 5. And then after that, I have a 2 that'll come straight down with no splitting. And on the very last number, I have a 5 that'll come straight down without splitting. Now I have a row where everything is prime. I have many 2s, I have just one 3, and I have several 5s. So now all of those are prime numbers. So I've gone as far as I can go. Everything's prime. Nothing will split anymore. So the prime factorization, I have 15,000 equals. So I have some 2s. So I will say 2, 2. What exponent? 1, 2, 3. I have 3 2s. So 2 to the 3rd power times 3. How many 3s? Only 1. So I just put 3. And then times 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 times I have a 5 show up. So that would be 5 to the 4th power. So 15,000 equals 2 to the 3rd power times 3 times 5 to the 4th power.